We're here.
Yes, we went to the Big Apple.
Y'all look at his glasses. Don't he look so cute?
Oh, thank you, baby.
So we're in the airport. We're looking for our luggage right now.
Yeah, so we're going down the baggage claim.
Yeah.
Grabbing our luggage. Gonna try to find a train to go to Manhattan.
Yep.
Grand Central Station.
See you next. Hey guys, so we're here in Harlem. We just took an Uber over here, y'all. Oh my goodness, it's so much light. Yeah. I'm like, it's so much light, and there's like one light.
We got amateur night at the Apollo.
Yeah.
This is where they're bringing all the amateurs that have won over the year back.
Yeah.
To see, I guess, who's the best amateur. So
Yeah.
we're looking forward
So
to
we
it.
gotta go. So this is the line. It's actually really long. Let me see where Travis is. It's right here at the end of the line.
So, excuse me, little man. All right, it's just showtime at the Apollo. We're going up to our seats right now. Look at all these stars of the past, man. What we got right here? We got Billy Stewart right there. We got the Dixie Bells right here. We got George Shearing right here. What we got over here? We got the Staple Singers over here. Irby Man. I don't know any of these guys. Where the Five Heartbeats at? Nah, that wasn't a real group.
As we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be
All right.
together this Christmas. Right outside my door, makes me more now. That's what Christmas means to me, my love. Oh, break it down, break it down. Now you just sit there, you gotta stick your shoulders up.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we just finished eating at, was it Soda Pasta?
I think it's called Soda Casa. It's like
Yeah.
a pizza place, like Italian pizza place. It's
Yeah.
authentic Italian food, or at least it tasted like it.
Yeah, it was so good,
It was so
but
good.
it was an appetizer, so I'm still hungry. But we've been doing a lot of walking.
Yeah,
So
a lot of walking.
yeah.
I would highly recommend it for like maybe lunch, not dinner,
Yeah, our breakfast.
or breakfast even.
Or just a snack.
Yeah, just a snack.
So right now we are at the Subway. We're getting ready to go back to our hotel. Maybe get some more to eat.
Yeah. We would definitely try to find another place to eat at before
Yeah.
bed.
Right.
But yeah, we head back down to the financial district, to our hotel, and yeah, man. So we'll see you guys in the next clip. Y'all, look at this beautiful tree. This decorative is so pretty. Oh, wow.
Christmas tree, my Christmas tree.
Let's kiss underneath the tree, honey. Aww. There's 7 candles for Kwanzaa.
So we are at Staten Island Ferry. We are headed to Hillsong, NYC. Just want to give you a quick update on how things are looking. So this is what it looks like on the inside. We're looking for the subway. So we went to the wrong place. That was in the South Ferry, whatever that was. But yeah, we're at the station now.
To the statue.
Yeah, so that was incorrect, but we're learning.
Yeah.
And we made it.
We made it. In the nick of time. The train is getting ready to leave.
So yeah, when we got down here, it's we were just running, and the man was like, "It doesn't leave until 4 minutes." We were like, "Oh,
We can relax.
We just got the subway. We are headed toward the church. It's cold, but not too. There's Old Navy. Made it in. We made it here, y'all. Church was really good. I'm sure we showed y'all some clips. Yeah, so we're just leaving now.
It was about being very practical with your faith.
Yeah.
And actually just reading that Bible app, not just having it open.
Right. And not
opening up your Bible and actually reading it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So right now we are headed to Times Square, I believe. So we're about to look at our phone and look at the address.
Yeah. So we're gonna head to Times Square. Last time we were here, we ate at this good Texas barbecue place.
Yeah.
Had some good big wings.
Stand over here and pull it up?
So about to go over there.
We've been trying to vlog. I think we're doing well.
Yeah. I think we're doing good so far. All right, let's go.
All right.
I'm Shishi. Enjoy your train ride and have a fabulous day.
All right, we just came off the subway. We are in Times Square now.
All right, Times Square.
Last time we came, this was our first place that we seen.
This was the first place we saw.
Yeah, when we first got off the subway, we were like, wow. Just looking back, smiling at me. Y'all see him? It smells so good in here. Y'all have to try this place if you come. Last time we came for Valentine's Day, and the line was out the door. We waited for so long. This is salmon and grilled shrimp with baked potato, vegetables.
I got the Henderson wings with the yellow rice.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you think about this, Mr. Trow?
Oh, I am excited to dive into this food. I can't wait.
Alright, we're gonna let you take your first bite. And he's gonna decide to eat the rice first. That rice does look good.
I always try to eat like the non-meat items first, because I don't want to seem greedy. I don't know what it is. Like
well, we know you're greedy though.
Rice
How
is
is
good.
that? I'm gonna try it next.
Rice is good.
It's just rice.
It's just rice. Let me dive into these wings. Oh, I need some napkins because this is getting messy already. Messy but good.
Tastes good.
Yes. A+. I'm right here, say she. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, that's nice. It just feels like Christmas here in New York. And that's why we like coming here during this time of the year.
This is ABC News.
we're going inside right now to the famous toy store that Shay wanted to go in. The whole trip was surrounded by this one place.
I wasn't. Don't believe him.
We came out here just really for this toy store.
No.
Everything else is extra. This is where she really wanted to visit. Above everything else.
No.
Look how excited she's getting. Oh, she's about to run into somebody. Alright guys, we're outside the Rockefeller Center in front of the tree out here, and I'm going to try to push up the camera so you guys can see it. Let's see. It's so big though. That's all I can get. Shay got a friend, y'all. Shay got a friend. All right. Woo!
Why am I tired, y'all? Like, that was a real workout.
Oh, man. Woo. All right. Where did Shay go? I lost Shay, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Where did Shay run off to? Oh my goodness, I don't know where Shay is. I literally lost my wife in New York. Where is she at? Shay? Shay?
I figured that I might as well record too. Where's Trav? Just seen him! Whoa, that's pretty cool. Where is Trav?
Maybe she's at the red stairs. Let's see. Oh, I do not know. I'm sorry. People ask me for directions. I'm a tourist too. I don't know. I'm so sorry. Maybe I look like I know. Maybe
I don't know where he is. I just seen him. Those are the red stairs. Last time we came here for Valentine's Day. We got up there on the red stairs. Where is Trav? I don't know. It's like looking for where's Bottom.
maybe I can find Shay from here. Maybe we can find her from here. Let's see. Where did Shay go? Oh my gosh. Hold on, y'all have to pause this video and find my wife.
Where could he be? I know how I could find him. I'm gonna stand somewhere Oh, there he is. Look at him calling me. I see him right there with the red cap on. I'm just gonna sit here and see if he notices me. Oh, bless his heart. He's still standing. I'm just gonna sit here and see how long it takes before he notices me. Now he's fussing. See him? Where is she? Where's she? He's sorry. I was talking about you the whole time. Hey, Trav!
What's up? What's up? So, she just pranked me in New York.
Yeah, and that's what I said. I said this is like a prank.
She just pranked me in New York. I didn't know where she was. Dude, every like kidnapping movie that I've ever watched came to mind.
Yeah.
Like somebody like grabbed her secretly, put their hand over her mouth and like took her away.
Oh,
all
honey.
these people, she just disappeared.
I was.
Yo, we're at the top of the rock right now. Look at this amazing view. Whoa, whoa.
Sure. Hi guys. Hi. Photo bomb.
Let's show you that. Just want to show you that right there. Just a little bit of top of the
Hey everyone, so our trip is finally over, and I'm not saying that in a good way. I definitely had a lot of fun. Yo, so look, Trav told me, he's like, let's take a talking break. And so he put his headphones on. And he's looking at Instagram. I said, a talking break? I said, I'm enjoying talking to you. He really got his headphones on because he's tired of talking. Trav, you want to say hey to the video?
Hey, how is everyone out there?
Once again, my boy, premium and start priority at this time.
I told them you wanted a talking break.
Also invited to zone number 1.
I told them you wanted to take a talking break.
Yeah,
And zone number 1
time
to
to really
welcome aboard.
just take in the experience of the trip and just really savor
Once again,
these last
premium
moments
sky
in New York
and
City
zone
and
number 1.
And yeah, man, it's been a wonderful trip though. And we're heading back to NOLA now, and this has been a jam-packed trip. Like every day
Yes.
has been full of fun.
Right.
Every single day, no kidding, man. So we hope the video that we
To the general boarding lane, zone 2, you're welcome aboard
so
zone
we
2.
hope you guys
To
will
the general
enjoy the
boarding lane, you are
videos
now
half
welcome
as
aboard.
much as we enjoyed
just
experiencing
as
New York,
much.
or just as much, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, but like if you even enjoyed half as much, that'll still be enough
Yeah.
because it was so much fun.
And if you haven't taken a family vacation to, or just a girlfriend's or guy trip to New York, you should. It's a lot of fun. I recommend go when it's cold because I like cold weather.
Right.
Zone number 3, you are welcome aboard to the general boarding lane, zone number 3.
Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video. And until next time, peace.
Peace.